Assalamu alaikum guys, it's your sister Zainab. Welcome back to another cooking video. Hope you all are doing well. If it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking in this video. So today's video we're gonna be making Dagwood. Dagwood is the biggest sandwich which has so many ingredients, so much meat, and yeah. So first thing, I'm going to be showing you guys all the ingredients which we need to make our Dagwood. First thing is bread. We need bread, okay? And then chicken patty. We'll need chicken patty also in this in our Dagwood, okay? But you can use beef patty if you don't like chicken. I like chicken more. Then we'll need the chips. Here is the potato. I'm gonna make chips as well. I'm gonna use this too. And here is our paloni. It's a simple chicken rainbow paloni. It's halal, by the way. I buy from Checkers or Pick and Pay. Yeah, you can get there. It's halal, and this is a chili flavor, I think. Let me see. Yeah, it's peri flavor. It's really nice. I love the flavor. And then here we got cheese. We'll use cheese also, and eggs. We'll use 2 eggs, or you can use 1. And we'll use tomato as well. And here is our mangola. Yeah, cheesy jalapeno mangola. Yeah, this is a mangola. It's also really delicious. And here we got our Russian. Yeah, so here is the chili, green chili and fresh coriander. I'm gonna use this in our chicken mince to make a chicken patty. And the spices which I'm gonna be using for our patty, I'm gonna be telling you guys the names as I'm mixing, okay? So these are spices I'm gonna be using, okay? So here we got our oil. We need oil for frying. Yeah, so yeah, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start by adding the spices for our patty. Okay, this is half teaspoon of cumin seed. My mince is not that much, as you guys can see. I'm gonna just put a little, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit of that. It's a cumin powder. And this is a coriander powder, just a little bit as well. So do you want to help?
Yes.
Okay. I already add these 2. Now you have to add white pepper, just a little bit.
Is this
Make it half.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is a white pepper. Add. And add a little bit of coriander, of garam masala. Yeah. Add. Just a little bit of garam masala as well, and black pepper, just a little bit, not too much, otherwise it's gonna be black. Yeah, it's enough. Now add a little bit of ginger and garlic paste. Now I'm gonna just mix it. Just want to combine everything first before I add my coriander and chili. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, now I'm gonna add my fresh coriander. Okay, can we? My son want to help, so now bring knife so we can chop our chili. Take this aside. Some green chili as well. You can skip this, guys. You don't need to add chili if you're scared of spicy. I think it's enough. Take this, mix it again. I said, can you give me salt? I didn't add salt here.
Salt.
I'm gonna add a little bit of salt as well. Okay, now I'm gonna just mix it. Okay guys, so I think it's fine, done with the mixing. Now I'm gonna just fry it. Okay guys, so I'm Gonna add some oil in the pan. Okay guys, the patties are done. I'm gonna just remove from the pan. Okay guys, so as you can see in other side, I'm frying chips as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to dip the Russian also while I'm frying the chips in same oil. I'm gonna just give a little cut, just like this.
Yeah,
In other side as well. Okay, I'm gonna just dip this in there. The Russian doesn't take long, so just fry like 1 to 2 minutes and flip it and fry other side 1 to 2 minutes as well. And take it out from the oil. Our chips is almost done also. Okay guys, so our chips are done. It's brown and our Russian also is done. So I'm going to remove the Russian first and put that aside. And the chips, I think I should off the flame before it gets black. Okay.
The chips.
Yeah. Okay, done. Okay, now we need about 2 slices of mangola. 1 and 2. Need 1 slice of bologna. Okay, this is done. So I'm going to prepare eggs once also. I said keep this in the fridge for me. And for eggs, I'm gonna just add a little bit of black pepper. I'm gonna use aromat. You can use salt. You can add salt if you don't have aromat, and mix it well.
Which one? Oh, on this one.
Okay guys, so here is our eggs. Let's fry. Here is our pan. We're gonna add some oil. And add it.
This is a big egg.
Okay, the eggs are done as well. And lastly, we're gonna be frying our bologna and mangola. Okay guys, so everything is done. As you can see, we got our chips, we got our eggs, chicken patty. Here is our mangola, some tomato sliced, and bologna, and of course the Russian. So guys, I did not mention about the sauce. We'll need some sauces as well. So I'm gonna be using tomato sauce, mayonnaise, and mustard. I'm going to take bread. So this is mayonnaise which I'm using. You can use any type of mayonnaise or any type of sauce which you like. So I'm going to add here on the bread. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my patty.